Welcome back. We are in Module 10 and we're talking about formatting our worksheets. We just got through talking in Section 1 about formatting our cells, and there's a few more things I want to show you. Let's go ahead and dive into Part 2 so that we can complete talking about how to format your cells. There were a couple of more options under the alignment grouping that I wanted to show you, and let's start with the wrap text option. I want to go down here to cell B18, Books and Beyond Mideastern Region. All of that's in B18. You can see that C18 is empty, so the text has just spilled over. I'd like to keep all the text in B18 and just have it word wrap, and that's what this option will do. I'm just going to click on Wrap Text, and you can see now the text has word wrapped. To take it off, you just click on Wrap Text again, and now it's back the way it was. The next option underneath is the Merge and Center option. If you notice, all of this text for the title for our page here, Books and Beyond Northeastern Region, is all in B2. And again, it's just spilled over because these cells are empty. I'd like it to actually be centered across my table. That means I need to center it from column B to column G. The way Merge and Center works is you select the cells you'd like to center across, and you just choose the Merge and Center option, and now it's made all 6 cells one cell and centered in that one cell. You can see that it's chopped off part of the B over here and part of the ending of my wording there. And there's a few things I can do. I can actually go in and start adjusting some of the column widths if I wanted to make it all fit. But the easiest thing is probably to work with your size until you get it to the exact size you want so it'll fit right in there. Let's go to the arrow at the bottom of our alignment grouping and see if we're missing anything. You can see we're on the Alignment tab. All of these options are right back here. We saw Wrap Text. You haven't seen Shrink to Fit yet. Let me show you how that works. I'm going to go back down here again to B18, and I'd like to shrink all this so it fits in that one cell. I'm going to click the arrow next to the alignment grouping, choose Shrink to Fit, and click OK. And now you can see the text is super tiny because it has shrunk it down so it would fit in that one cell. I'll go ahead and undo that. There was one more option in here I just wanted to mention to you, and that is the option for the text direction. You can actually have your text go from left to right or from right to left. But the big thing I wanted to show you here is this orientation. If you remember, we were able to change it up here and we had several options we could pick from. But what if you had an exact degree of rotation you'd like to use? You can actually click this red diamond and drag this up or down to any exact orientation that you would like. And then when you let go, you'll see that the text will be orientated at that particular degree of rotation. And that's pretty much the options I wanted to show you that have to do with formatting your cells. We do have some more formatting to do. We're going to be formatting our numbers. Why don't you go ahead and flip over to Section 2, and I will see you there.